Sagutan natin tong problems. Find dy over dx for the following. So for number 1, we have y is equal to pi. So, ang derivative ng any constant, let's say c, is always equal to 0. So since yung pi is, alam natin, approximately 3.14 yan, which is a constant, therefore, dy over dx, or derivative nito, will be 0. Okay? For number 2, y is equal to 2x. So this time, apply naman natin yung derivative formula na kung meron tayong constant c times any function f of x, so yung constant na to, pwede nyo lang itabi, then multiplied by the derivative nung f of x. Okay? At isa pang formula dyan is, kapag meron tayong derivative ng x, ang sagot ay 1. So applying this property dito sa problem, bale dy over dx is, so yung 2, constant, igigilid lang natin, then times sa derivative nung x. Okay? Pero yung derivative nga nung x is 1, so bale sagot dito is 2 times 1, or simply 2. Okay? Next, for number 3, we have y is equal to 3x to the 4th. So this time, i-apply na natin dito yung power rule for derivatives. That is, if meron tayong derivative ng x raised to n, it's simply equal to n x raised to n minus 1. So therefore, getting the derivative dy over dx, so yung 3 na to is constant uli, igilid nyo lang, then times sa derivative nitong x to the 4th. So we will have 3 times derivative ng x to the 4th applying this power rule. So bababa nyo lang yung exponent ni x na 4, then copy the base x, then raise to 4 minus 1. Okay? Applying this formula. So bale 3 times 4, that's 12, times x raised to 4 minus 1, or 3. So the final answer is 12x cubed. Okay, for number 4 naman, we have y is cube root of x. So kapag meron tayong radical, una muna natin gagawin is i-transform sila into fractional exponent. So alam natin yung cube root of x is equal to x raised to 1/3, right? So therefore, to find its derivative, dy over dx, kailangan natin apply yung power rule uli. So baba yung exponent ni x na 1/3, then copy the base x, subtract 1 from the exponent, so x raised to 1/3 minus 1. So, bale, we have 1/3 times x raised to 1/3 minus 1, negative 2/3. So, pwede itong sagot na to, or gusto nyo gawin yung positive exponent, so magiging 1 over 3. Then, bababa yung x sa denominator, then marirase na sa positive 2/3. So, therefore, this is the final answer. Okay, for number 5 tayo. For number 5, we have y is equal to 3 over x squared. Okay, so this time, yung power ni x ay nasa denominator. So, pwede muna nating iangat, applying the negative law of exponent. So, bale, we will have 3x raised to negative 2, right? So, applying power rule uli, dy over dx will be, so itong 3 constant, gilid lang natin, times derivative ng x to the negative 2, so baba yung negative 2. Okay, then copy the base x, then subtract 1 from the exponent. So x raised to negative 2 minus 1. So multiply 3 times negative 2, negative 6, then x raised to negative 2 minus 1, negative 3. So pwede itong sagot, or gawin yung positive exponent, so magiging negative 6 over x raised to the 3rd power. Okay, next, for number 6, we have y is negative 4 over square root of x. So, gawin muna uli natin fractional exponent yung square root of x. So, equal to sa negative 4 over yung square root of x, that's x raised to 1/2. Pero nasa baba uli yung power ni x tulad ng example 5. So, iangat natin applying negative law of exponent. So, it's equal to negative 4 x raised to negative 1/2, right? So, applying power rule. So, dy over dx, so copy nyo lang tong negative 4 constant. So, baba yung exponent na negative 1/2. then x raised, so negative 1 minus 1. Simplify, negative 4 times negative 1 half, that will be positive 2, right? X raised, so negative 1 half minus 1, negative 3 halves. So, pwede na to or gawin yung positive exponent. So, magiging 2 over x raised to 3 halves. So, this is the final answer. Okay, last number 7. What if y is 2x squared plus 3x minus 5? So this time, kapag meron tayong more than one term sa function, meron tayong 3 terms, right? Pwede nyo yung i-differentiate term by term. So bale, dy over dx will be, so sa 2x squared, so copy nyo muna itong 2 times derivative ng x squared sa power rule, babase 2, then x raised to 2 minus 1. Okay? Plus, derivative naman ng 3x. So copy lang yung 3 constant. Then we know derivative ng x ay 1. So 3 times 1. Minus derivative ng 5. If 5 is constant, so the derivative should be 0. So bali, we will have 2 times 2, 4. X raised to 2 minus 1, 1. Plus 3 times 1, 3. Tapos wala na itong 0. So itong 4x to the first, pwede na lang yung 4x right plus 3. So therefore, this is the final answer. Okay, kayo naman. So find dy over dx for y is equal to 2x cubed plus 3 over 4th root of x plus 6. Just comment your answers.